Today was not a great day. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I just wanted to talk about the things that we were able to get done today. And when I say we, I mean my friend Freddie. He's actually helping me rebuild the engine, and he's basically doing all the work, so shout out to him. Also, go check out his channel. It's Unknown Imports. I'll have the link down in the description to his channel. Go check him out. So anyway, Freddie started tearing down the engine today, and we already removed the fuel rail, and so all that was left to start with was the intake manifold. After that, we removed the exhaust manifold, the intercooler, and the turbo that was on the car, unfortunately. that, next came the valve cover and the head itself, which unfortunately I didn't get actual footage of us taking off the head, but it's off of the block now. So afterwards we noticed a couple problems with the head, and we also noticed a couple problems with the block. So now we have to take both of those to a shop and get them both redone. So I'm not really looking forward to that, but it happens. So we're thinking that, oh, we probably just, have to take the head to get redone, and that wasn't really the case. It's also the block. So, but that's, having a project car for you. It's gonna have problems along the way. It's gonna keep eating my money. So that's pretty much how it goes. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys next time.